Okay, welcome back everybody. It's now Monday, January 29th, and Dad's been busy here still today. One of the things he did was he painted the bottom part of these doors here for the customers. You can see here and over here, and the reason being is if they open the doors and they kick it, that's just going to scuff that white anyways. Got the seat in back reinstalled, and Dad has actually put in the gas pedal now too. We're gonna clean up the dash a little bit. Dad says he's got about 5 minutes of welding down here, and for this brace for the brake, and he's gonna put that in. And then we've got the floor to redo here as well. Again, we gotta bring it up about an inch with the angle iron. Dad's gonna put in a new cover around the gear shifter lever. Getting closer, but he's going to put something in here so that it's you know where park and reverse and neutral and drive is and whatnot. Yesterday he got the selector switch installed for the blower motor heater. We tested out the blower motor heater and it works really nice. Also he got the interior light rewired here this morning, and that works. And so Dad says a day or two, but I'm still putting down 3 just in case. But it is coming closer, so we're getting very close to a test run on this machine. So Dad's just doing some final welding here. So we put that angle iron in originally, and the floor was supposed to mount on top of that, but once Dad got done with the rotor, we realized we were that much too short. So Dad's going to raise it to, there's a little red line right there, that's where Dad's going to raise it to. So there's plenty of clearance for the rotor and the brake, and then he's just going to pop rivet that back in. He says tomorrow. I give it another day yet for the final checks. We still have test runs to do. And so hopefully all that runs smoothly, and hopefully we're contacting the customer by the end of the week. Well, good morning everybody. Tuesday, January 30th. Dad thinks it might be the last day here, but we still have 2 test runs to do. And yesterday he got the chair installed. Okay. So Dad's got a support on the brake rotor here, and we just checked the brakes again, and we're going to do a little more work here. Dad's got the flat iron there, the angle iron I mean, reinstalled because we didn't have enough clearance. We still got to do this side here, and as I said before, Dad thinks it's one more day of work, and then we've got 2 test drives we still have to do. Right, another full day here with Dad. He's got everything into place here now. He's just made this double bracket to hold everything into place for the brakes. Spent most of the day working on that. He had some work down here. I labeled the front switches. He had to take do a little work on the escape hatch there, but Tuesday I think we got 2 test runs. I don't know what else we've got else to do on this, so maybe next video is this machine moving out of the shop. Oh, playtime is fun time. Sure nice to have friends.